If you want your videos to get promoted, you want to go viral on YouTube, you want your videos to be always promoted to a lot of persons, these are things that you have to do. There are certain things that you have to do for your videos to get promoted. You don't have to do, there are certain ways. There are some persons that come across videos that get promoted, so you feel that people pay for them for ads. People pay for ads. People pay YouTube to promote their video. That is, their video is going to be shown as ad. Then you can click on those videos and then you can get likes, you can get subscribers through this means. So guys, if you want your videos to go viral, if you want your videos to get promoted, you're going to do these tips that your fellow competitors are doing. So you're going to go over to search for your fellow competitors and do the same exact things they are doing. In this channel, I'm talking about YouTube growth. Yes, YouTube growth. I'm talking about YouTube growth in this channel. So I'm going to search for YouTube growth. I'm going to go back to my YouTube app. I'm going to search over on YouTube growth, how to grow on YouTube. When I search how to grow on YouTube, I'm going to see a lot of competitors, that is people that are doing my exact kind of content. I have Robert Benjamin. I have so many creators, so many Nigerian creators that are doing the kind of content that I'm doing. Yes, so I want to get a lot of persons. I want this video to be promoted. I want to get viral. I'm going to be making the same exact kind of videos that I am making. Yes, so I'm going to be doing the same exact kind of videos that my competitors are doing. So when I go over to my YouTube studio, I'm going to go over to my analytics. When I go over to my analytics, I'm going to see the kind of video my viewers are watching, my subscribers are watching. When I see that kind of videos that my subscribers are watching, that I'll be notified that that's the kind of videos that they want to see. So I'm going to make more videos on that to know the kind of videos that my subscribers are watching. So when I make a video on that, I'm going to get a lot of views. I'm going to get a lot of watch hours because I'm feeding my audience with what they want. I'm giving them what they want to see. So when they come across my channel, like when they watch a certain kind of video that is related to my channel, my own video is going to be suggested to them as well. Yes, so these are the tips to get 1,000 subscribers in one day. Like, you do not want to post shorts, you do not want to, like, you're not ready to fix your playlist yet, you don't have a lot of videos to fix your playlist yet, but you just want to go viral, you just want your videos to be promoted. These are the exact things that you have to do. You have to create the same kind of videos your competitors are creating. That is the big YouTubers that have gone so far in your niche. Yes, like this, my channel is a YouTube niche. This is a YouTube growth niche. This is famous tips and tutorial. I'm sharing all the YouTube growth tips and all that. So I'm going to search over on same persons that are doing the same kind of content that I'm doing. When I search over to them, like the Think Media TV, the vidIQ, the Robert Benjamin, they are all on YouTube growth tips and all that, to make money and all that. So when I search on that, I'm going to see so many kind of videos that I've made. I'm going to go over to search for the trending one. I'm going to make a trending video of that. Yes, and you have to make sure that you know what you are doing. Like when you come over here, you're feeding your audience what they really want to watch. Yes, when I make a trendy topic, a video on that video is going to pick up and it's going to be recommended to many. Yes, like my videos of recent are getting views based on YouTube recommendation. That is, they're showing the videos to a whole lot of persons. So guys, I'm going to be showing you what to do using our YouTube app. We're going to be using our YouTube app for more tutorial. We're going to be using our YouTube studio as well, and we're going to be using our search button also. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this done. Let's dive into the tutorial. I'm going to go over to our YouTube analytics. So that point you say they want to click on YouTube analytics, they're going to pop up, they're going to show you top videos and live stream. Though I'm going to go over to my YouTube studio to do the rest of this. So if you have a channel history, you can do this using your YouTube app, but I'm going to be making use of our YouTube studio. So when I log into my YouTube studio, I'm going to just I'm going to go to this my audience. So if you have a channel history, that means you've been long on YouTube or any of your video has gone viral. This, when you click on your channel history, you're going to see a lot of things are going to pop up. But due to this channel is a new channel and does not have much channel history and no videos have gone viral, so what I'm trying to show you won't appear here. But if you have a viral video, it's going to appear. So this is the analytics of how my channel has been performing ever since. These were my current videos that have picked up and had a lot of views. So your channel page shows views driving from your page. So this will find on your channel page. Imagine how people will find your next creation. So they are going to show me a typical video that I have to create. So I'm going to imitate those that are in my niche that are doing well and create such kind of video, so that my videos are going to go viral as well. So I'm going to click on this audience, as what I said before. Since I don't have more channel history, they are not going to show me what my audience watches, but there's another way to do it. So I'm going to click on this trend, and I'm going to see popular people in my niche and the videos I have done very well. So those videos I've done very well, I'm going to go over to imitate that video again. So I'm going to go over to create a similar video that like that, so that when people are searching for that particular thing, they are going to find my own video. So you have to do what your competitors are doing. Those competitors in your niche that are doing very well, you have to create the same kind of video for you to get views. This is what I've been doing of recent, and my videos have been picking up. That's why I came here to show you guys similar things that you have to do for your videos to go viral. So these top searches that you do see here, you're going to search for that particular kind of videos and create it. This is what I've been doing, and you can see that my videos have been suggested to a lot of persons. My videos, the way I get more views is when my videos are being suggested to a large audience, and this is what I've been doing, and I want you to do the same thing, and it's going to work for you. So guys, this is the best way for you to be like your competitors and do well, and your videos will do well. Okay, let's get back to the video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you implement all these things that I just said, and make sure that you make a video on trending topics. That is the only way you can go viral, and I've been doing this for me and it has been working. I've been getting more views and subscribers of recent, and I've been so consistent. So do these tips for you to get viral. Do these tips for us to get viral, because we are all growing together, and these are the things that I've learned and it's working. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share this video to your family and friends. I'll see you on another one. Bye.